Thinking about studying in France but unsure which university is the right one for you? With over 3,500 higher education institutions, choosing the perfect one can be overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to help you find the best university in France for your career. Hello everyone, my name is Monash Taneja, a graduate from HEC Paris, and in today's video, let's understand why France should be your top choice if you want to study abroad. But before we start, I'm giving away free 50 SOPs to study at top universities abroad that can help you with your application. All you have to do is go to the pinned comments and description box to download them, so check it out. Now, for the video, let's dive right in. Step 1. Define your career goals. Yes, very basic, but what is your career goal? And it makes a big difference here in France. Do you want to be an entrepreneur, a researcher, a tech expert, or a fashion designer? France has specialized universities for different fields, so it's very crucial to choose one that aligns with your ambitions. For example, for business and management, HEC Paris, INSEAD, ESSEC. For engineering and technology, École Polytechnique, Centrale Supélec, and Grenoble INP. For fashion and arts, Institut Français de la Mode, École des Beaux-Arts, and for science and research, Sorbonne University and University of Paris-Saclay can be very good options. Step 2. Public versus private universities. Did you know that France has both public and private universities? Public universities offer affordable tuition fees and focus on research and academics. For example, Sorbonne University and University of Lyon, whereas private universities and Grande École have higher tuition fees and strong industry connections and internships such as HEC Paris, Sciences Po, and INSEAD. If you're looking for a research-driven education at an affordable cost, go for public universities. But if you want networking opportunities and top-tier placements, private institutions and Grande École are great choices. Step 3. Look for English taught programs if you don't speak French, because if you're worried about language barrier, many French universities offer programs entirely in English, especially for the fields like business, engineering, and international relations. Many institutions such as HEC Paris, ESSEC, INSEAD, École Polytechnique, Centrale Supélec, and Sciences Po offer English taught programs. But do remember that learning basic French will definitely help you in daily life and job opportunities. Step 4. Always check employment and internship opportunities. What's the point of studying abroad if you can't get a great job after? Always check a university's placement record, industry tie-ups, and internship programs. Look for universities that offer strong industry exposure and connections with top companies like L'Oréal, Airbus, Renault, and Michelin. Many French universities and Grande Écoles have mandatory internships, giving students hands-on experience before they graduate. And luckily, these internships often turn into full-time job offers. Step 5. Consider the cost of living and location. Tuition fees isn't the only expense. Consider where you live. Paris is exciting but expensive, while cities like Lyon, Toulouse, and Nantes are more affordable for students. If you are on a budget, choosing a university in a smaller city can save you a lot of money. Choosing in a university in a smaller city like Grenoble, Nantes, or Toulouse can help you save an average of 700 to 800 euros a month on an average. Now it's your turn. Which university are you considering in France? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget as well the 50 SOPs that are completely free in the pinned comments and the description box before you leave. I will see you next time. Ciao!